Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, allow your awareness to drift inward like a gentle river finding its way home. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, a solid anchor in this moment of stillness. Notice the air around you, cool and soft, caressing your skin with each breath. And now, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the quiet tide that moves through you without effort. With each inhale, you draw in peace. With each exhale, you release the day, the thoughts, the weight you no longer need to carry. And as you breathe, I invite you to imagine a soft golden light beginning to glow at the very center of your being. This light is your own inner wisdom, your own capacity for healing, a warmth that has always been there, waiting for you to turn your attention toward it. It starts small, like a single candle flame in a vast, quiet room. And with each breath, this light expands gently, slowly, filling your chest with a soothing, radiant warmth. Breathe deeply. Feel the golden light now moving toward these areas of tension. It flows like warm honey, melting through resistance, softening the edges of what was once hard. And as the light touches each place of holding, you may feel a subtle release, a sigh of the body, a loosening of the muscles, a gentle wave of relief. Now, in Mado, but a homecoming. Not a fight, but a letting go. Now, imagine that this golden light has a voice, a soft, knowing voice that speaks directly to the part of you that has been hurt. And this voice says, "You are safe now. The pain you carried was never meant to be yours forever. It was a visitor, and now it is time for it to leave. You are not broken. You are not damaged. You are a living, breathing being of light, and you are whole." Let those words settle into your bones. I am whole. Say it to yourself now, silently, with feeling. I am whole. And notice how your body responds to this truth. Perhaps there's a softening in your chest, a warmth in your heart, a quiet knowing that this is real. As we go deeper I invite you to recall a specific moment from your past, a moment that still carries some charge, some residue of pain or sadness. Nornis, you don't need to relive it in detail. Just let the essence of it float into your awareness, like a cloud passing through a clear sky. Notice where you feel it in your body. Maybe it's a tightness, a heaviness, a subtle ache. And as you acknowledge it, send that golden light directly to that place. Let the light wrap around it, hold it, love it. And as the light holds this old pain, something shifts. The edges soften, the color changes. What was once sharp becomes smooth. What was once dark begins to glow. And you may feel a deep sigh rising from your belly. Let it come. This is the release. This is the letting go. Let it condom. Now, I want you to imagine that this moment of pain is being transformed into a gift. Not because the pain was good, but because your resilience, your capacity to heal, is extraordinary. And from this experience, you have gained something precious, a deeper understanding of yourself, a greater capacity for compassion, a strength that can never be taken away. Feel that strength now. It is not the strength of armor, but the strength of water, soft, flowing, and unstoppable. It is the strength of a tree that bends in the wind and stands tall again. It is the strength of your own heart beating steadily, resiliently, in the face of all that has come before. And as you breathe, you might notice a new sensation emerging. A lightness, a spaciousness, a sense of freedom that was not there before. Where there was once a knot, there is now room to expand. Where there was once a weight, there is now buoyancy. And in this space, you can now plant new seeds. Now, seeds of peace, seeds of joy, seeds of self-love. And you can water these seeds with your breath, with your attention, with your intention. And as now, I want you to bring to mind a quality you wish to feel more of in your life. Perhaps it is peace. Perhaps it is forgiveness. Perhaps it is deep, unshakable self-acceptance. Let this quality take shape in your mind. A color, a texture, a sensation. And as you inhale, imagine breathing this quality into every cell of your body and breathing in peace. I am breathing in forgiveness. I am breathing in love. And as you exhale, you release what no longer serves you. It's as if a door has opened inside. You are merging with this version of yourself. Their peace becomes your peace. Their forgiveness becomes your forgiveness. Their freedom becomes your freedom. And you know, in this moment, that healing is not something you have to achieve. It is something you allow. I am safe in this moment. That healing is not something you have to achieve. It is something you allow. It is your birthright. It is already flowing through you like a river finding its way to the sea. Now, I want you to repeat these affirmations after me, silently, with full feeling. Let each word sink into your subconscious, where it will take root and grow. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. I release what no longer serves me. I release what no longer serves me. My heart is open to healing. I forgive myself and others fully and completely. I forgive myself and others fully and completely. I forgive myself and others fully and completely. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. Now, I want you to create a simple anchor for this state of healing and release. Choose a gesture, perhaps pressing your thumb and forefinger together, or placing your hand over your heart. As you make this gesture, breathe deeply and feel the fullness of this moment. Feel the peace, the forgiveness, the freedom. Let the gesture become a symbol, a trigger, a doorway back to this state whenever you choose. Press your thumb and forefinger together now. Breathe. Feel. Anchor. This is yours to carry with you. This is yours to access anytime. And as you continue to breathe, allow your awareness to expand beyond the body, beyond the room, beyond the moment. Feel the connection to something larger, the earth beneath you, the sky above, the infinite web of life that holds you. You are not alone in your healing. You are supported by the universe itself. The same force that moves. And as we begin to bring this meditation to a close, I want you to take one final deep breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with light, and as you exhale, let go of any last remnants of tension, of worry, of doubt. Let them dissolve into the air, returning to the earth, transformed into nourishment for new growth. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.